All right. So, good day, everyone. So, we are the Team 7, and our topic is all about positive psychology intervention. Our chosen topic is the three good things exercise. So, for the introduction, it is positive psychology principles. According to Martin Seligman, who is seen as the founding father of positive psychology, um, this movement can describe as the study of what constitutes the pleasant life. So, engage in life, meaningful life, and it is also known as the three blessings. So, for the purpose of this topic, the main purpose is to cultivate a habit of reflecting on positive experiences or things that happen during the day. So, participants are instructed to write down three good things that happened to them each day and reflect on what these events occurred. And we have chosen this intervention because it focuses positive experiences and leading to mental health or outcomes. These three good things, it aligns with the core principles of positive psychology. So it emphasized the importance of the strengths and the positivity to enhance a psychological functioning and overall life satisfaction. So for the next slide, this is going to explain by Irish Gisalva.
So, hello, good day everyone. I am Irish Hisava and I'm presenting the empirical evidence. First one is the emotional well-being. These lessens depressive and tired feelings as well as improve general happiness. Kumbaga, ito ay nagre-reflect sa ating emotional or sa ating mood. Kapag tayo ay happy, ito ay nagre-reflect sa ating sarili. Pangalawa, resilience and empowerment. Kapag favorable naman sa part mo yung nangyayari is namomotivate ka and it gives positive vibes. Pangatlo ay long-term benefits. Itong ang positive feeling is pwedeng pang matagalan, pwedeng umabot ng isang buwan o kaya 2 buwan. Kumbaga, kapag ikaw ay nakakaramdam ng positive feelings, lalo na kapag sobra siya, is tumatagal talaga siya. And next, the last one is team and workplace dynamics. So, kapag positive din tayo, nagiging improve din yung communication skills natin, lalo sa pamilya natin o kaya sa mga kaibigan natin or sa ka-workmates. So, to summary, the three good things exercise is straightforward yet powerful technique to increase psychological well-being, lessen negative biases, and enhance both individual and group dynamics in a variety of settings. Thank you. That's all.
All right, so thank you for that wonderful explanation, Irish. And for the next one, these are practical applications to be explained by Miss Melody Ronquillo.
Hi, good evening, everyone. This is my presentation about the practical applications. So, practical applications includes the mindful meditations can be incorporated into daily routines in our various ways. This intervention is highly adaptable and can be tailored as suit and needs and the preferences of evidence of our individuals or our populations. In example, to address a high stress level in a workplace, even in a school, we need to at least 10 minutes a meditation. We can do a yoga sessions or other activities that meditate ourselves. For gratitude journaling, we need to write down at least three things that we are grateful for each day. Uh, for this uh, for this journaling, cultivate our positive outlook and improves our well-being. Focus on the specific life aspects in a relationship in health and accomplishment. For these activities, the example is encourage everyone to think and write down at least three things that we can do a gratefulness for everyday life, maybe unexpected event that happened with us. For exercises, engage in enjoyable physical activities like walking, jogging, maybe yoga and other physical activities. It's offer a varied options to accommodate different fitness levels, abilities, and pre- prefer- preference. Example for this are yoga and other strength activities. For healthy eating naman, make sure that we need to balance our nutritious food choices and utilize nutritious dietaries and other support groups that educate them and provide a nutritious educations. Regular practice of these activities or intervention can lead a significant improvements in overall well-being and a regular healthy habit lives. And that's all.
All right. So thank you for that, Miss Melody. All right. So it is true no na yung practical applications ng ating three things exercise is talagang nakakatulong siya sa ating mental and well-being, especially for us students. Nowadays na marami tayong ginagawa and sabay-sabay may ginagawa tayo sa school and at the same time working tayo and of course may mga kinakaharap din tayong problema. Pero because of these practical applications, makakatulong ito ng mabuti para sa atin para magkaroon tayo ng positive outcome sa buhay. Alright. So for the impact of this positive intervention or the three good things exercise, let's discuss about the benefits and also the challenges na encounter natin while doing these exercises. So, benefits. It promotes positive mindset and gratitude. By focusing on positive experiences, individuals can shift their attention away from negative thoughts and develop a more optimistic outlook. It also improves mental health and overall well-being. It can also improve sleep quality and reduce stress levels. So dito sa benefits na meron tayo no or na-mention natin, malaking tulong siya kasi sa problema na nagkakaroon tayo ngayon sa buhay, hindi natin may iwasan yung stress kasi kasama yan sa buhay. And itong gagawin nating three things in life which is yung presentation natin na kailangan nating magsulat ng 3 bagay every day kung saan tayo grateful para maisip natin na kahit na sa kabila ng hirap or mga problema na kinakaharap natin is meron tayong bagay or blessing na natatanggap pa rin every day. So nakakatulong siya sa mindset and of course sa physical well-being natin. So for the challenges, let's call again Miss Irish to further explain.
So yun nga, parang katulad din sinabi ni Miss Maximina, the challenges, hindi natin maiiwasan na minsan magkaroon tayo ng problema o may stress. So some individuals might find it difficult to identify positive experiences, lalo na sa mga taong lalo na at magkakaiba-iba naman tayo na personality at may mga tao na more on negative mag-isip. So maintaining the consistency and motivation to continue exercise regularly is definitely hindi nila magagawa. So yun yung challenges na pwede natin makaharap. So yun lang. Thank you.
Alright, I agree with you, Irish, no? Bali may challenges and of course, ma-overcome natin siya sa pamamagitan ng gagawin nating exercise every day. So thank you for that. And for the next one, to further explain by Miss Melody.
Okay. For these slides, ito yung questions. What are you thankful for? Why do you think the event happened and how it made you feel? So for a summary na lang siguro ang isa-share ko. So sa tatlong question na yon, Isama rin ko na lang. I'm so thankful for many things that happens in my everyday life. The opportunity to learn the new things. Every day is a brand new day for me to begin with a new activities and positive outlook like that. How it made you feel joy. So to contribute and fulfilling meaningful life for me and not for me, not only for me, but also for my family and for a human being that encounter every day. So that's all.
All right. So thank you for that, Miss Melody, for the explanation. So let me go ahead for the next slide. All right. So for the conclusion, so the three good things exercise is a positive intervention that promotes well-being and happiness. By focusing and writing down three positive things that happen during the day, individuals can cultivate gratitude and a more positive mindset. And this exercise can positively impact individuals by improving mental health and overall well-being. So dito sa naging topic natin, masasabi ko lang na I'm very grateful because I was able to realize these things na pwede pala na makatulong ito sa atin, especially kapag naisusulat natin siya kasi napag-alaman ko na kapag naisusulat siya mas okay na ginagawa natin, para nare-recall natin siya and then babalikan ulit natin siya every other week or 2 weeks para ma-recall natin kung ano yung mga naging grateful tayo or blessings na dumating sa atin sa kabila ng negative or problems na dumarating sa atin. So, kayo ba, meron ba kayong mai-share dito sa presentation na meron tayo? Sige, ikaw muna siguro, Irish.
So totoo nga yun na the three good things is a very good, very important value para sa atin. So, it improves our mood and parang coping mechanism na rin siya sa mga stress natin sa buhay or problems, and it actually enhance our life satisfaction. That's all.
All right. So thank you for that. What about you, Miss Melody?
So for me, yung three good things, isa lang, bali, ang masasabi ko lang ay parang pareho din lang na na-discuss natin. So we need to thankful every day for everything that happens our daily life. So every day, every morning, so we are grateful to have a brand new day. So sabi nga nila, kailangan kada araw, gawin mo na yung the best para sa mga araw na yon at sa mga susunod pang araw. No need to think na meron pang bukas. We need to think na this is the great day for all of us. At thankful ako dahil sa mga opportunity na nagkaroon ako tulad sa pag-aaral, nagkaroon ng opportunity to back to school, and also for thankful din para doon sa aking family and kung anong meron ako sa aking mga kasama sa aking workplace, and also for everything that I have for now. So we have to be grateful for this.
All right. So thank you for that, Miss Melody, and I agreed with you, no. So three things in life na naisusulat natin every day is a very good exercise para magpatuloy tayo sa buhay, despite of trials and challenges na kinakaharap natin every day. And masasabi ko lang na live life to the fullest. Pero dapat alam natin yung limitations and yung purpose natin kung bakit natin to ginagawa. All right. So for this with that explanation, so we will end this presentation, and thank you everyone. All right, so thank you. And good evening again.